Okay, so in this video, I will be telling you that how to integrate the buy one get one offers on your storefront. So for that, enable this mode so you can get these all options in the sidebar. So after that, go to the My Products, and you will be able to see the BOGO settings here. Okay, so these are the imported products in my store, and then you just scroll here. So you will be able to see that BOGO is currently disabled, and we can just enable it from here. So go to configure, and when you see the BOGO type, you will see the two different type of BOGO, same product BOGO and the different product BOGO. So buy X, get X. So this means the buyer will get the same product in the price of one. So you can just, okay, so the base cost for the product is 330, and when you enable BOGO for that product, the base price will be doubled. So if you want to have like a, okay, so let me just set the BOGO selling price, so 800, and your profit will be calculated after 800 minus 660, which comes 140 rupees. So when we just, and also don't forget to enable the BOGO here as well. So save BOGO settings, and after the refresh, you will be able to see that the BOGO is enabled on your product store. So when we go to our storefront, you will not be able to see the BOGO offers on your storefront. So for that, we have enabled WordPress style shortcode integrations. So you can show wherever you want to show the BOGO. So for that, go to shortcode, guys, and you can see these are the short codes. So let me just show a banner for that. So advanced uses, copy this shortcode and go to your storefront, and then go to edit. Then you will be able to see an option called raw HTML. So just drag and drop to your desired location. So wherever you want to show the BOGO offers. So the raw HTML fragment is already there. So open it, and under description, paste the shortcode and adjust these as well and save. Okay, so when you visit your storefront, yeah, so you can now see the BOGO offers, buy one get one deal on the selected products. And when users click on view details, they will be able to see the BOGO pricing and the product which comes with it, like buy one get one same product as we have decided. So one click checkout for the BOGO itself, and after that, people can just buy it. So this was the video for the integration of buy one get one offers for. Okay, so let me just show fastly. So let me just BOGO type different BOGO products. So you will be able to see the two products. The main product is the face oil, and the BOGO, that the product which will come with it for free, that like Radiance Retinol Face Serum. Let me just add it. Okay, so you can see the BOGO base price here, and you can increase the cost with some rupees. So make your profit and enable it here, and then done. Okay, so now you will also see this on your storefront. After the refresh, you will get to know that it has already updated view details. When it loads, you will be able to see a BOGO offer banner and free item and BOGO costing. So your buyer can just buy it from here as well. So this was a video for the both type of integrations of BOGO in your storefront.